I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and let me show you how to put apps out of sleep mode on this watch. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to battery, tap on that. Under battery, scroll to sleeping apps, tap on that. And here you can see all the apps that are sleeping. Okay, so it basically says sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. Okay, so notifications may be delayed. So you can put some apps that you don't want to delay notifications out of sleeping mode. So for instance, if you want to put WhatsApp out of sleep mode, you can select WhatsApp and any other app, maybe including Strava, and then select remove from the sleeping list. And once those apps have been removed, then that means they'll continue running very well in full mode, even when they're in the background. So you'll not get late notifications and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.